Between the government and the opposition was any indication of the monsoon storm. It was very much visible this morning inside and outside Parliament. BJP training its guns on the Prime Minister, claiming he vitiated the atmosphere on the eve of the monsoon session.
The furore on day one. Continuing outside Parliament as well. The BJP training its guns on the Prime Minister, accusing him of vitiating the atmosphere right on the eve of the monsoon session.
Prime Minister has vitiated the atmosphere by an unnecessary comment.
The fireworks after this statement by the Prime Minister, soon after the all-party lunch meeting on Sunday.
Not afraid of discussing issues of corruption. The opposition has also too many skeletons in the cupboard. We are not afraid of discussing any issue which the opposition has.
The BJP raised the red flag over the issue of two separate meetings held with the government. One with Parliamentary Affairs Ministers Pawan Kumar Bansal and Rajiv Shukla, and a second one with Leader of the House and Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee. Both of them aimed at seeing how constructively the opposition and the government could get business done on the floor of the House. But in the middle of that came the statement from the Prime Minister, who came and attended the lunch just after these meetings.
But the BJP certainly not stopping at that.
No answers have been given by him. No answers can be given by him. And therefore, he has decided to sidetrack the entire issue and instead attack the opposition.
Government is quite prepared for any subject which the opposition would like to be taken up.
And if the atmosphere in the last 30 hours is anything to go by, the monsoon session is staring at a huge storm. With Navika Kumar, Rupali Mehra for Times Now.